How to embed videos on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you step by step on how you can do it. So let's get started without any delay. First of all, you can just go ahead and open up the Twitter application on your device. And then once you open it up, all you gotta do is once you open up Twitter, you can just go ahead and locate up the video that you would like to embed from your For You or following. So locate up the video, and for example, let's head over to this video right here. So you can just go ahead and tap on the video and make it full screen first. So once you go ahead and make it full screen, you just need to go ahead and from the video, this interface right here, look for the three dot at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and it gives you option of share video from the menu. Select up that option, and another menu appears, and from the another menu select the option of post this. Tap on it, and when you do, it will redirect you directly to a post where you can post. So you can just go ahead and post this video right here. So tap on this post at the top right corner, and the video has been embedded on your Twitter. So you can head over to your profile in order to view your post. And that is it. This is how you basically embed a video in Twitter. So I hope this video was helpful.